Welcome back to my channel. So today I have something a little bit different. It is a non-makeup related video, but something that I think we can still appreciate. So today I'm going to be doing a try on clothing haul, which is something I don't normally do on my channel, but I had this company reach out to me recently and they were kind enough to send me some of their pieces, and I kind of think their what the company stands for is pretty unique, and I'll let you know what their whole deal is in a minute. The brand is called Honeybum. I don't know if you can kind of see their little tag right here. And they are an online fashion retailer with pretty cute and trendy clothes at a reasonable price. And for every order they get, they help plant flowers to help preserve the bee population. So it's a company with a purpose, which I really like. And of course, their clothes are really cute, so I said sure. And they were also really kind to send me a discount code for my followers. So in case you guys see something that you like, or you go and check out the website yourself and you want to order, you can save yourself 20% by using the code KatEyedTv. This is not a commission-based code, so I don't get any type of commission or money or sales off of this code. So in case you're, thinking I'm just trying to make a buck off of you, I'm not. It's just something nice that they did in order for you guys to order also and get a little bit of a break. So if you guys would want to, go ahead, check it out, use my code if you like. If not, pay full price. I don't, that's your deal. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and try on the clothes and let's see how they look. So the first item is this dress. It's called the Mulholland Dress. I got it in the olive shade. I got this in a size large just because these kind of really form-fitting dresses, I'd rather be safe than sorry. And my body type is a little bottom heavy and not so much on the top, but it fit really nice, I think, especially if you're gonna have some shapewear underneath. And it was very comfortable and very soft. This next piece is called the Vibing You dress. I also ordered this in a large, and this is in the color mocha. This is hands down probably my favorite piece from this collection because it is suede type of material, and I think it fits really nice. If anything, if you are a little bit fuller in the chest area, this probably would look even better on you. I would probably need some cups just to kind of fill it out a little bit more, but other than that, I thought the back was really flattering, and the whole dress overall is a great length and it's really comfortable. This next piece is also a really nice, comfortable, relaxed kind of little black dress. This is called the Dana dress. I also ordered this in a large, and it's very stretchy, very comfortable. I love the neckline on this dress and also the length of it. I think it's safe to say that it's good to order maybe a size up with this clothing line, because it seems like most of these dresses might run like a medium in Forever 21, but here a large would probably suit me better, even though I am usually a medium. As you can tell, the back is pretty low on this dress too, so if you're not comfortable with that, I think wearing this with like a nice jean jacket will look really cute. Next are the Paige Velvet track pants. These are really cool. They're kind of more of like a trendy type of pant. They have like those button clasp closures on the side, so you can wear them open or close. I ordered these in a medium. They fit really well, but they're just too long for me, and that would probably be the only complaint that I have. Next are the Juliette Skinny jeans, and these are actually a really cool jean. I wish I would have ordered a size up. I usually get a size 7 to 9 in pants, and these are a size 9, and they still fit a little too snug for my liking, but other than that, they're a very casual, just standard pair of jeans. And then this is my second favorite piece. This is the Way I Love You coat. I ordered this in a size medium, and it is perfect and fun and funky, and I absolutely love it. I wish I lived in an area where it was colder a little bit longer because I want more reasons to wear this, but as you can see, it is lined with such fun fur. It has a nice cincher on the waist to give you a little bit of shape with some good hardware, really sturdy. The fur on the hood can be removed if need be, and I just think it's really fun. So that completes this try on haul. I hope you all enjoyed seeing that. It's a little bit different for me, and honestly, I'm like slightly uncomfortable just because I don't know. It's different doing like your makeup and then like trying on clothes. I mean, for the most part, when we try on clothes, we usually do it in private because you don't know how it's gonna look. And that's another thing I wanted to say. A lot of these pieces, I mean, I didn't know how they were gonna look on my body when I was selecting them out. And I just did my best with guessing sizes. So of course I let you all know the sizes that I chose. Just keep in mind that I am 5 feet flat and I have, I think what you would call like a pear-shaped body. I don't have much going on up here, but I carry a lot of my weight on my hips. So it's a little bit trickier for me to select things because, especially for dresses, either they're gonna fit perfectly on my bottom, but up here they may be a little loose. So, and then for pants, I mean, it's another struggle, and then the length of them since I am so short. So with that being said, I did want to show 2 items that I felt were kind of ill-fitting on me. They weren't as flattering on my body. They still are really cute, but one of them was this kind of like a little mini dress. And it was just too short for my liking. If it would have been maybe a little bit longer, I probably would have been more comfortable in it. But yeah, maybe with some type of leggings, I can see myself wearing this, but other than that, it was just really, really short to the point where I just didn't feel comfortable. So yeah, that was the only thing with this one. It would be more of like a tunic, not so much like a dress, which it was, you know, marketed as or advertised as. And I got this in a size small. Like I said, it fits so perfect up here, but once we get to the legs, it's like, ooh, too risky. You hear a noise, don't mind that. It's my husband. He has a leaf blower going on outside. And then the other pair, or the other thing that didn't really fit as well on me as I would have liked it to, were these pants. And I'm like so upset because I really thought they were so cool, but I should have known because the model on the website had a very like straight figure, and I think maybe they're just meant maybe for that like type of body. But they were these like high-waisted, pretty stretchy, so that's a good thing. They weren't constricting, but they're stretchy, high-waisted pants with like this gold zipper on the back, and then the sides had this really cool like lace-up detail. But when I put them on, they fit over my butt, but when I tried zipping this up, it would go and it just looked like it flattened out my, like it was pressing my butt in, so it just didn't look great on me. So I don't know, we'll see if I can somehow work with these. I am like not on a diet per se, but like I have been counting my calories this past month. I dropped about 5 pounds. I'm not looking to lose like an extreme amount of weight. I'm just kind of being careful what I'm eating, because ever since we've gotten married, it is true what they say, like when you're in love or in a relationship, you tend to get really comfortable with each other, and like we are so bad with like encouraging bad eating habits. I mean, me and my husband love to snack, and I'm a big foodie. I love to eat, and that's why I say I'm not on a diet. I could never see myself being on a diet or restricting myself from eating things that I like, but I am really like limiting myself to indulging in too much. So we'll see. I don't know, maybe once, you know, a few more months have passed and maybe I've lost a little bit more weight, I could revisit these items. But like I said, some of these, your body type, like shape, not so much weight, just the shape of your body may not always work. It doesn't all work for everyone, you know what I mean? So we'll see. But if not, I have people that I can give these items to, and I'm sure they'll be very happy with them. But other than that, I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know what was your favorite piece down below in the comments, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.